Researchers at the University of New Mexico and the University of Western Ontario have found out that people with great intelligence are more humorous. And in today's day, we have this concern about whether AI is taking over. Is it thinking like a human can? So I asked the question, how do we test that? I tasked ChatGPT to write a humorous YouTube script about the colors of the year for 2026. The paint companies have all decided on this. Sort of a dry subject unless you're redecorating. But can ChatGPT make something humorous? Can it show real intelligence, or is it just a mimic?
Very humorous indeed. Hysterical, in fact.
I used the text and the prompts that ChatGPT gave me. Watch this video, and at the end, tell me if you think ChatGPT is really intelligent, or is it just a mimic? Ladies and gentlemen, homeowners, renters, DIY warriors, and people who don't really know what color their walls are anymore, welcome back to the channel. Today we're covering the 2026 colors of the year, because apparently the paint companies got together and held a secret meeting. Yes, chaos. Number 1. Valspar's 2026 color of the year is warm eucalyptus. Sounds like something you rub on your chest when you have a cold, but no, it's for your dining room. Imagine a green that whispers, "I'm soothing, but I also have too many houseplants." Warm eucalyptus is for the homeowner who wants their living room to feel like a spa, but on a budget. Number 2. Next is warm mahogany from Glidden. Glidden said, "Dark mode everything." You walk into this room, there's a rich dramatic brown. Glidden said, "You know what your house needs? More chocolate." This color is perfect if you want guests to walk in and immediately think, "Wow, this room is gorgeous, and I really want brownies." Number 3. Number 3 is from Dutch Boy, and they bring the fancy. Dutch Boy Paints delivers Melodious Ivory. Sounds like a perfume you'd walk into Macy's and spend $89 on. It's ivory, but melodious. Meaning, I guess, the walls are singing? Do you hear that? Is that Beyonce? Nope, just Dutch Boy doing the most.
Number 4.
Next up is Minwax, the dad of paint companies. This is the color where your dad says, "I want the deck to look classy," right before he spills the stain on his New Balance sneakers. They call it Special Walnut because I guess regular walnut just wasn't worthy. Number 5. Moving on to number 5, from Bear Paint, they bring us some treasure hunt vibes. Bear Paints chose Hidden Gem, a blue-green tone that looks like if you painted your room in it, you'd expect to find a pirate's chest in there. "Arr, matey, you be needing 2 coats up there." This color is great if you want your space to feel peaceful, modern, and slightly nautical.
Number 6.
Dunn Edwards is reporting for duty with their 2026 color, Midnight Garden. Reminds me of my military career. This shade is so dark and stealthy it probably has its own night vision goggles. Midnight Garden is the color you choose when you want your living room to feel like a secret bunker, but with throw pillows. At ease, recruits! This color brings tactical elegance, covert sophistication, and just a hint of, I could brief a 4-star general in here. Slap this on your walls and suddenly everything feels classified. Your ficus looks tougher, your bookshelf feels like it has a clearance of its own, and your guests walk in like, am I supposed to stand at attention? This room feels kind of important. Midnight Gardens for homeowners who want drama, mystery, and a room ready for a full-scale military aesthetic operation. Last but not least, number 7. Moving on to number 7, that's Pittsburgh Paint's Secret Safari, aka Avocado Green's cooler cousin. It's sort of a warm, earthy green. And let me tell you, if you've ever seen a 1950s avocado green refrigerator, this is like that, but with a glow up. Secret Safari is what happens when Avocado Green finally went to therapy, stopped dating other toxic colors, and came back looking mature, modern, and slightly fashionable. In the 1950s, that green said, "I keep leftovers cold and marriage is stable." But Secret Safari says, "I'm worldly, I'm adventurous. I drink fancy coffee and own at least one woven basket." It's perfect for people who want their homes to feel natural and grounded without committing to the full retro kitchen that smells faintly of Jell-O salad. Still earthy, still bold, but no one's going to walk in and say, "Hey, my grandma had that same refrigerator." So there you go, from warm eucalyptus all the way up to Secret Safari. We have a variety of choices for you in 2026, if you want them. Maybe you do, maybe you don't. So tell me in the comments which colors you'd paint your walls, or Which ones you'd only use if someone paid you? There's a couple I can think of. So there you have it. Based on what ChatGPT wrote as humorous, do you think it's equal to human intelligence? My vote is no. The jokes are a little corny. They're sort of like dad jokes. Really didn't grasp, I think, the idea of human humor. And that may be one advantage that we'll keep over AI for now.